In the federal system, that's a commonly used charge in drug trafficking cases because oftentimes you're going to find weapons, whether it's a handgun, whether it's something more significant as far as a weapon goes, that is used, whether it's simply there with a drug product or used for enforcement, so to speak, or protection. You'll find that, and it's a federal charge that's often used in drug trafficking cases. It carries a mandatory minimum of 5 years, or at least 5 years, stacked on top of any U.S. sentencing guidelines sentence that a person would receive for the substantive drug charges.